Who could this be? I bet it's Michael coming in at Mach 10. It is. Rip to the bumper. Tight fit. What's going on, guys? So in today's video we're going to be working on the platy. So this is Michael's F350 37s leveled, and he had a little boo-boo. Got the bumper. All right, Michael, you want to inform the people of what happened?
I hit a stump in a hayfield very lightly.
How hard was it, like, actually?
Huh?
How hard was it, like, actually did you hit it? Because I'm curious.
I barely bumped it.
These bumpers are steel, though, ain't they? So you barely bumped it.
Barely bumped it.
Got lucky you didn't get the bedside. There's still a gap right here. I didn't know that these things were two-piece. Here's his replacement part, but I think it's going to be easiest just take the whole bumper off, piece it together, and then put it back up there. I'm glad we ain't got to take the hitch off.
There's about 8 in there.
Yeah. It looks like it weighs about 1,000 pounds, too.
The heaviest thing in the truck.
I don't doubt that. Getting a little bit of Ford content for you, Buzz. This thing is huge. We also into the Dirty Max. Just out there chilling. Beef. So I guess I'm just gonna set the camera up. We're gonna swap this baby out. Throw you a roll pan on there.
It's a good time to put a wrench on.
Yeah.
2,000 pounds.
I guarantee it wouldn't have done it like that, but you just sure felt it. Bunch of torques. All over the place.
You got
Some bolts.
I got some right beside the house.
Since Michael's over there working so hard on his truck, I figured we needed a little pick-me-up. I know how much he loves squatted trucks. I just wanted to see how squatted his is. Let's go ahead and measure. All right, what's that? 8 1/4? Boy, this boy's leaning, I'm telling you. Oh my God. This guy's got a 2-inch squat going on. This man is in the baby squat game.
Water runs out the bed.
Hey, dang, I've been meaning to do that for a while. He sends me squat things on Instagram on the daily, and he's driving around in a squat truck. Dad, he even got the bumper on. It's gonna drop another inch at least.
It all count. The truck's not level. It all
Oh,
starts.
that don't matter. We're measuring tire to fender. She's a squat truck.
It all starts with a little bit.
It is. He's gonna have a 6-inch on the front before we know it.
Yep.
He even sent me a little insult this morning. Yeah. Daggone.
You measure it like that, that dang Z06 is squatting like a dog. I would rather it be leaning back than leaning forward.
Hey, that's what I'm saying.
You don't want it like it's a dang dragster.
It's not.
It's a truck.
It's a dang truck. It's a dang squat truck. Michael Bowman gonna put 10-inch blocks in the back of this.
Nightmare, son.
Oh, now you won't unsee it. You can see that's where it starts.
He's gonna,
You're like, dang, that looks pretty clean.
you gotta get a super heavy front bumper on it.
Nah. He's joined the gang. Y'all need to go over NDN Scout on Instagram. Go hashtag baby squat on all his pictures. Let's get him trending. The first baby squat platinum F3. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, so we got this all torn apart. Now we just got to pull the new parts on the new bumper piece, put it all back together, and we'll get it back together. But my GoPro's about to die, so I'm on my phone. So once we get this thing all back together, or to another step, update y'all. Monumental moment. Nossie let me drive the 6.0. by myself. I don't know if he's tricking me and this thing's about to blow up. He don't want to be responsible, trying to blame it on me. I ain't saying he'd do that, but daggone, he ain't never just told me to go drive his truck to the gas station and get some. So that's what we doing. Well, I don't think there's any dome lights in here. Such a weird driving position. Well, very high, like I'm sitting on top of the truck. The throttle is super touchy. Dang, it's Randall. Let's get his impression because he's not going to expect me to be driving. What's up, bud?
New truck?
New truck? Who this? Now she done turned me loose. You wanna go floorboard it and go race around? You wanna go drag racing?
Yeah.
Oh, come on. You need to chill. I'll be back in a minute. Daggum Randall, back on the road in the XJ. That's what I'm talking about. All right, we're hitting the pavement. Chewbacca war cry incoming. Completely different driving experience for my truck. I do like how the throttle is so sensitive. You can kind of tap it and it doesn't, I don't know, I don't know if that's a negative or positive, because it doesn't really give it any power. It just makes noise, which is kind of cool, but at the same time, odd. But yeah, 6.0, son. Dang, got the chummins making some racket. We're going in for the kill. Chewbacca war cry. So before it goes completely dark, we're headed back to the house.
Come down, Chase. Yeah. Straight in. There you go. Push in. There it goes. Pretty close.
I have to zoom in on your face.
Yeah.
That was funny. Looks like it needs to rotate to be level, or maybe that's just the way that they're. Maybe I'm just looking at it wrong.
It's still hanging down a little bit since them folks think that.
Okay. Oh yeah. I mean, if it's off and it's not something you're gonna eyeball, not that I can see. What do you think, Gear? How's it look from down there, bud? Good. No hesitation. Good. Good. Put the bolts in. Get me out from under this thing.
Yeah.
Dang, Randy, while they tightening them things up,
Bar behind it.
the Jeep is here, dude. Update them. Give them a 60-second synopsis of everything that has went on since they last seen the Jeep.
Finished the lift. Went to go pick up a new rear end. Blew head gaskets. Put a new head on.
Tighten them up, man.
Put a new instrument cluster in there too.
Oh yeah, the dude's got an RPM gauge now. Flip that switch. Put him over there. Daggone. Now this guy knows where to shift. You still ain't looked at it yet, have you?
Huh?
You ain't looked at it yet.
I have to determine my speed off of that.
Nah, this boy keep it at red line.
Yes.
You get a sensor for the, you got a sensor for the fan?
No.
Oh.
I'm straight wire.
Oh, so it's running?
That's what I'm doing right now.
Oh, sick.
Y'all said this thing wasn't gonna come back.
Who said that?
Everybody doubted this man.
Nobody said that.
Get down here and leave.
No, that's what I thought the same thing.
Yeah.
Nah, that's Gear.
No, it's not. Because seriously, I thought I smelled Jake.
Don't let him fool you. He dropped one when he was walking in there like it was casual.
I ain't.
He giggled when I said, "Dude, I'm walking behind you."
I ain't mailed no air biscuits in the last 10 minutes.
Well, they just now escaped them britches.
No.
It took a minute to get through that dip.
Yeah. Good Lord, Gear.
It ain't me.
That smells horrible.
That's not mine.
That is you.
That's definitely not mine.
Would you know by the smell?
Yep.
Because it smells like it burns, and yours smelled like it burned earlier.
That's not the smell that you're smelling. It smells like dead animal.
You know that burn coming out. You burn my nose going in.
Yeah. Those are good ones, though. Them silent but violence.
Nah, them ain't good. Like I said earlier, you need to go wipe. Clean that thing out.
I went change pants. What are you talking about? I was wearing pajamas earlier.
I know, you probably wadded them up in the trash. They got them skids on them.
Tainted, huh?
You can't get that smell out of pajamas. Once it's in, it's there to stay.
Turn it up to the switch so I can turn it on.
Are you going to remember to turn it on every time you go over 35 miles an hour?
He'll remember when he looks down that temp gauge big.
He'll remember when there's a cloud of smoke coming down.
Coming through the floor again. Randall, our jokes do not. They don't humor you, do they?
No, they don't.
Alright guys, well that's about going to do it for this video. Got her all installed and whatnot, looking good. This vlog was kind of all over the place, but I guess entertaining. So I guess with all that being said, hopefully you enjoy. See you in the next one.